Guys, are you tired of looking tired? Then let's get rid of those dark circles for real this time. Dark circles doesn't mean that you are lazy. They just mean that your eyes need better care. So in this video, I am going to show you guys quick and proven ways to remove them naturally. No fake promises. And the fourth one is my favorite. It is going to be a very interesting video, guys. So see that you like the video now only. And if you are coming on this channel for the first time, see that you subscribe and keep that bell icon pressed so that you will not miss any of my future videos. So come on, let's start the video. Welcome back, guys. Now, if you are serious of getting rid of those dark circles, you will have to do certain things that I will tell you in this video. Not once, not twice, but consistently. And you might have to change the way you are doing things till now. Guys, why do you think that some people have dark circles and some don't? It is because they are doing some things differently than you do. Dark circles are sometimes a result of bad habits that you've been doing for a long time. Now there are two things because of which these dark circles come in the first place, guys. And the first thing is the skin under your eyes becomes thin, or your entire skin becomes thin. Now because your skin became thin, the blood vessels right here and the underlying tissues can be seen through easily. And the second thing that can happen is if your blood vessels dilate, they become darker, fluid retention because of lack of sleep, which takes us to our first point, guys, and that is lack of sleep. Lack of sleep makes your skin look dull and pale. You guys know that already, which highlights the dark circles, guys. Now just because I said that dark circles come because of lack of sleep, don't go and sleep for 24 hours now and then not sleep for 24 hours. It doesn't work like that, guys. What actually you should be doing is you should put it in your habit. Make a fixed sleep schedule, at least for a month, to see the difference, guys. Get around 7 to 8 hours of sleep every day and be consistent in it, guys. For example, if you are sleeping at 10 p.m, then make sure that you sleep at 10 p.m. every single day for 1 month. Because what happens when you don't sleep properly is it can cause blood vessels to dilate, making them more darker. Now even when your skin is thick, your blood vessels are darker and they can be seen through. It can also cause fluid retention and make the skin look paler, guys, which increases the contrast with dark vessels. Now the second thing that you should be doing is, guys, you should stay hydrated and eat the right food. Drink at least 2 liters of water every day because, guys, when you are dehydrated, your skin looks sunken or hollow. And guys, eat collagen rich foods because collagen provides skin that structure. It gives the skin that strength which it needs, guys. And it also gives elasticity to the skin, which helps the skin to maintain its appearance, guys. Now if there is less collagen in your skin or in your body, then automatically your skin will start to thin. And when the skin becomes thin, you guys know already what happens. You can see through your skin the blood vessels and the tissues, because of which the dark circles appear. Now I will not suggest any foods here, guys. Do your research, go on the internet, check the collagen rich foods, see which one you can eat, and according to that you can add them in your diet. Now the next thing that I am about to tell you, guys, is something that you can do externally, and that is you can apply caffeine or vitamin C serums to your face. What caffeine does is it tightens your blood vessels, guys. I have tried this. I have already made a separate video on this, guys. I have applied it on my face and it works like wonder, guys. I will try to put a link of that video in the end screens or in the I button above here. You can definitely go there and check that video out as well if you are looking to apply something like that. And vitamin C can reduce pigmentation. And the best part is it also boosts collagen production, guys, which will make your skin thicker. I have also made a video on vitamin C serum, guys. If you guys have not watched that video, then I will put a link of that video also in the end screens. You can later go there and watch that video as well. Very helpful video, guys. You can also use cucumber slices or potato juice because both help reduce pigmentation naturally. And guys, make sure that you are using good quality products because people often go for cheap products which will never give them good results. I will try to put a link of some of the products on the screen here or in the description. You can definitely go there and check them out by yourself, guys. With that, let's move on to the next one. And the next one is, guys, is my favorite one and which has helped me a lot. I'll just tell you a little bit of my story. You guys know that most of the time I spend my time on editing, screen time. I did not have dark circles in my entire life. And guys, suddenly I started having dark circles. And I started wondering what is going on, what's going wrong. When I reflected on my lifestyle, I came to know that my screen time had increased. I was looking at that bright screen every single day for more than 12 hours, guys. Now that was one factor. But there was another factor for it. And the second factor was I was looking at that bright screen in a dark room, guys. So my ambient lighting was not so good. So my eyes were getting fatigued. Blood vessels started dilating. I was sleeping 8 hours a day, guys. But still it was not working. And I said in my mind that this have to change. Like this, you have to be open for change, guys. If you are not open for change, then nothing will change, guys. You should be open-minded to change yourself. Because most of the people, they are ready to rather die than change, guys. Do let me know in the comment section below which category you fall in. So what did I do? The first thing that I did, guys, that I improved the lighting in my room. I changed my ambient lighting. Instead of a low watt bulb, I put high watts tube lights, high watts bulbs, and I made my room brighter, guys. Another thing that I changed is I changed my screen to dark mode. I hope you guys know what is the dark mode on the screen. Like this, you can change the screen modes. After doing these two changes, guys, my oh my, it was a day-night difference, guys. So how many of you guys watch the screen in a dark room? Do let me know in the comment section below. Now after doing these two changes, my eyes started getting less tired, they had more energy in them, and I could even work longer, guys. And the best part is it got rid of the dark circles. So guys, avoid excess screen time, and most importantly, avoid rubbing your eyes. Staring at the screen for a long time without even blinking and rubbing your eyes can cause strain and broken capillaries under your skin. And with that, let's move on to the next one. And the next one is, if you feel that your eyes are itchy and tired, you can apply ice on them, or you can use a gel bag like this. You'll have to put it in the freezer for a while, and then you will have to keep it on your eyes to relax your eyes. This really helps, guys. Your eyes will thank you for doing this. And the dark circles will also reduce faster. It will reduce the puffiness in your eyes, and it will improve blood circulation as well. You can even use a spoon or a chilled tea bag if you have one, or just wrap ice in a cloth and put it on your eyes like this. So if you have excessive screen time and if you can't avoid it because that is your work, then try this, guys. Do it every 2 hours for 5 minutes to relax the strain on your eyes, and you will love it, believe me, guys. And the last thing, guys, the last thing, you can do a slight massage here for your eyes. Apply aloe vera gel while doing the massage. Do it for 2 minutes daily. I use this massager because I have this one. This is from Housed. It's an amazing massager. I have already made a separate video on it. If you guys have not watched that video, then I will put a link of that video in the end screen, so you can later go there and watch that video as well. It's an amazing multi-purpose massager, guys. I use it on my face. I use it to do head massage as well, and it's a very good lasting product. Also, guys, use sunscreen while going outdoors, even if it is cloudy, because that suntan is very difficult to get rid of. You guys know it. Now, guys, all these remedies that I have told you guys might not work if you have a medical condition, or if you are genetically predisposed to having noticeable dark circles, or if you have poor lifestyle habits like excessive alcohol, tobacco consumption, or any allergies. Now, guys, dark circles don't go overnight. How many days or months or years you've been carrying them, guys? So they were there for a very long time. That is the reason why I have told you guys in the beginning of this video that you will have to do certain things consistently at least for a month to see the difference. So take a photo of your dark circles today, then do all these things that I have told you in the video, and after 1 month take a photo again and check the difference between the both, guys. Then if you felt that this video helped you, then come back to this video and comment below and share your experience, guys. Also share this video with people who you think have dark circles and whom you think it can help. And if you guys have not yet subscribed to my channel, then see that you subscribe to my channel and keep that bell icon pressed so that you will not miss any of my future videos. And remember to press that hype button. Till then, this is Ryson Fernandes signing out. Until we meet again.